Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho landing page, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you copy or duplicate one of your Zoho landing pages? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to copy or duplicate a landing page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to A/B test. So rather than designing a whole new landing page in Zoho, you can easily just copy one of your existing landing pages and then change it slightly to test the variation. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho landing pages account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Zoho landing pages account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and duplicate or copy one of your landing pages, make sure that you've clicked on pages here on the top left. Once you've done that, you're going to see all the landing pages you have in Zoho. You can see I just have this one. And in order to copy it or duplicate it, what you're going to do is just hover over it. And then off to the right, you're going to see these three little dots. Go ahead and click on there. Once you click there, you're going to see these four options, but you want to click on clone page. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and name your landing page. So the original is called taco recipes. So let me go ahead and change that. So we'll change this one to Chinese food recipes and start editing. Okay, next it brings you into the new copy of your Zoho landing page. So let me go back here to the main page. Okay, so here you can see it. So here is the original landing page, and then here is the copy of it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to copy or duplicate one of your Zoho landing pages, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.